Eating healthy is easier when you grow at home, so get out, plant a seed. Comment below, like, share, and subscribe, and look me up on Instagram. Alright, here we go. We got some under the microscope here. Good population of babies coming on. They all look healthy. A lot of fun seeing them up close. I kind of enjoy that. Wow, great shot. There we go, look at that. I don't want to keep them out too long so they don't get too stressed. We probably got, I'm guessing, 25 to 30 babies probably in there right now. Let's zoom out a little bit. Quite a few of them in there. Come in. That's about as close as I can get with this camera. Pretty good though. So we got the microscope. I don't see any sign of disease or anything. That's good. All their bodies still look pretty good. That's nice. These are all guppies. I don't have any platies right now. I mean, I have platies in the system, but I don't have any platy babies right now. That one might be a little goofed up. Alright, I gotta get these back in the system.